I think you will continue to see a very vibrant IPO market because if you look at India, over the last 10 years, a lot of private capital has come in to companies. Private equity funds have become very large, and now these companies have become so large that the only way private capital will get an exit is the listed markets. There's no other way for it to get an exit. So I think the IPO market will grow. If you look at India is such a nascent capital market that many sectors are not even present on the exchange. I mean, the fact is, your largest exchange is not listed today. Many new sectors. Your second largest food delivery company is not listed today. You only have 4 out of 40 asset managers listed today. So there is a lot of scope for the IPO market in a country like ours. The good thing is the IPO market is also growing up. At least the non-SME, the regular IPO market. I think in 2006-7 you could be a very shady corporate governance company and come out with an IPO. I don't think you can do that anymore. I think the IPO market went through an amazing test in 2021 when some of these new age business models came out and said in their DRHP, we think we'll never be profitable and still manage to do large IPOs. Today you can't do that. Today when you write a DRHP, in fact the re-rating of some of the new age companies has been amazing because they finally said, boss, we are focused on profitability, and profitability doesn't mean EBIT before X, Y, Z and X. It's profit after tax. So I think good things are happening. The IPO market is growing up. I don't think it's a challenge to MF flows. Frankly, mutual funds in the long term are buyers of companies, and we want the available universe of listed companies to expand, and expansion is good for us. There was that whole Yamaha showroom story, and then there was some asset manager who I don't want to name, with 200 crores of assets, raising like three at some valuation that made me feel very sad about what I do. So I don't know what's going on. I think SEBI's already made a comment on this, and I'm sure someone will regulate this because this can end very badly for people. So, by the way, we run a retail IPO fund which does not do SME IPOs, but it's called Edelweiss Recently Listed IPO Fund. It's the only fund in that category in the industry. Every week, some guy will write to me, Madam, आप इसमें SME IPO क्यों नहीं include कर लेती? So there's craze for this stuff.